Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Kiddies Corner Secondary School hangani kenti kelas Jied bani Shimenta ha karensan ya choir choir kabla tip kum 21st Malaysian Choral Eistedfod International Choir Festival Arjar Fulai kapan sedang nadu ka artrik hadu ka santrik unai wieng Arjar Fulai ha ka jinga keren baka bati CTV principal jong ka school Kiddies Corner uba Brian Walang ulay thu baha ka live way trek urisau Arjar Fulai ka kunhun roi choir jong ni ka school ken mi na Shillong ban lech Malaysia Bat ongru badai tang ke school Kiddies Corner ke belah Jied nakari India bani Shimenta hakini ke jinga ko ruai.
Well, we will be traveling tomorrow to Malaysia for the 12th International Choral Eistedfod choir competition. And in this competition, there are 12 countries which are participating. For us, we're going to be taking part in the children's category and the folk category. Basically, we just want to promote and let the world know about our Khasi folk music. So we're doing 2 Khasi songs and 1 song from Mairang, which is a different dialect, but belonging to this region to the Khasi Hills too, which was written and arranged by Maya Lingdo. And the other 2 songs are arranged by Mr. Emmanuel Marbanyang. Last year we got the ranking from the World Choir, the people who organize the World Choir competitions, and that is the Interculture. And we were selected as one of the top 1,000 choirs of the world. We're number 936. So we got an invitation from Malaysia to take part in this. We also got an invitation from China, but then this was closer to us, so that's why we planned to go for this competition. Of course, it involved a lot of hard work, a lot of expenditure, but God's grace, we have so many supporters, and the government also this time they've come forward to help us. So we're hoping that we will get a good amount so that we will be able to fulfill the dreams that all of us have here. We will be the first Indian choir there. And we are very proud because they even asked us to sing for the opening ceremony, which they said you will be the first Indian choir ever to sing at an opening ceremony. So that made us really, really proud. So we'll be singing one Khasi song, which was written and arranged by Nicholas Dunn, and we're doing an English song too. So for how's the preparation? It's hard, but I think, we want to win a gold. We want to win gold medals, that's it. We want to make our country proud, we want to make Meghalaya proud, we want to make the Khasi Hills proud. Because not many people know about our Khasi music, and I think by us going there, when we went to Thailand the last time, even the choir from Malaysia took the lyrics and the score of Lapalang, and I'm sure they must be practicing it now. So I'm happy that at least we are able to send our music to other parts of the world, and basically to know the culture. Because they'll be wearing we're trying to do everything what we wear here in the Khasi Hills. So yeah, totally Khasi. Okay. And for the opening ceremony, but we're trying to make costumes from all the northeast, so we're covering all the 8 states. But for the competition itself, we'll be wearing Khasi costumes. And also for the friendship concert, we'll be wearing Khasi costumes. There'll be 25 students, and myself and the Miss who's playing the piano and John, and there are 4 parents also coming this time. Because lots of small children here, so I'll need a lot of help.
Bang adang syang class 5 la join ka choir te it's lang kung ka jing pos ni bang ala ban join ha kani ka competition ru nakadaw sa Brian hingi sayo kung kani ka la ru bingnya penpau ya ka choir jungi kat Malaysia nila practice bha ya kani ka competition la aslam bha te ila trishitam bha te ngat thare hingin ya yo but excited baru benginya le kani mentana marba kani ka opportunity ka wan tang silano tamo te mengiru excited bha ngi komen ha ani kwa haru bengin penpau ya lede ya kibrio ngin petsngo ya ka jingroi jingi kibrio ha ka jing snow jonga te ngasngo komen namar ba kade ka long first time mengiru te artat bai ni yok ban le cha bar kari la jong ban ni kwa hi ru ban pen pau ya la kari la jong ba ta ki jing wa jing ni la pen kre hi la bun sni menta teng ni kabyang ni ka preparation ru kaya smoothly and ni la long excited ha ban le chate ru and khoi ka long ka ba long first time ka jong ni ban le chate and ni kwa ru bangin job bangin ngin wan ra nam ya kari la jong but kumjuru bai ngin ben pau la kari Khasi la jong
but yan penpau ro la karyam ka bajongi but kibreu ro kintep ya ka e ka bangile hiki e ka bangiriam ro nang ade hapo soprano tu and ho ki pat ki banga shimru ki bun but don ro ki pongi rai tang soprano wan kum tu
nang kong engo iyo blai eng bailat wa de pleo ya i de yi man de yi haro ini practice le em lang ulang i te kum jo la yo ro i members ini wara da trechitam hiki tenge iskamila wa blai em lang ui i nang wa trip itu Malaysia man go kawa se sa se selama kepat ia pi wara le obo i wara ini jingduai nang wa yo i ka job yo ya jing job dan te yo i pen kemana dia riang i te kum ju ibe pang i kum ju wara ibe pang khana ini wadap ya rap i ini sngi wadap lai te ingo adi wadap ongo ingo adi lai wadap velat value tiu i yo ila cita cha Malaysia te an inilah to first time yang i wadap ong hi wara i te kemana di tetap yo ila stay da te ingo adi lai yo eblang adi bai hatai trip yang ista yo mana successful